YouTube channel. So today we are going to make DIY stress balls. So first, all you need is balloons, colors of your choice. And let's see. I think I'm going to pick, in this one there's even rainbow and there's like a glow in the dark one, or like a clear one, I guess you could say. Kind of looks white on the camera, but it's kind of clear. Okay. Just need to. Then all you need is to turn on some water. If it's overflowing with water like that, just get some out, I guess. Yeah, just get some out. Yeah, if it's overflowing with water, just do this. You don't want it to pop. Okay, that should be good, but you want a little more water, and this should be good. It depends on how big you guys want it. If you want it really big, you can do it really big. You can even blow it up. Yeah, and you can even blow it up if you want, but I'm sure it will pop. So I rather mine just a little, and then this is how you can tie it. You can even do that a bit. You can roll it up, and then you just do that, and then you just loop this thing over, and there you go. So here you go, you have a clear stress ball. Really cool. Just make sure these don't pop. If they do, I'm sorry. Blame it on me. Okay, and then you're just gonna double knot it. If you don't know how to tie it, ask your parents. Okay, so this one's kind of hard because I did the first one. Okay, there you go. Oof. Okay, there, I double knotted it. There we go. We have a DIY stress ball. Okay, that is it for today, guys. I'll be uploading on Mondays and Saturdays now. Love you guys so much. I'll see you next Monday. Bye.